This is the barking dog experiment, which I really like. And this is my age, which I really don't like. So, I have been wanting to replicate the barking dog experiment, but that wish quickly diminished when I googled the reagents. As you can see, they're horrible, and this makes me sad. So, I was thinking to get an alternative, and after hours of googling, I came up with something that I really like, which is called the Whoosh bottle. And all you need is this.
To get started, we just have to pour a load of the alcohol into the bottle. And shake it around a bit to let the alcohol vaporize. To make this experiment look better, I turn off the lights. And then all I have to do is to ignite the contents of the bottle.
As you can see, the Whoosh bottle provides a similar sound as the Barking Dog experiment and is much cleaner, much easier to do, have a better flame, and when you compare the equations, have much more safer products, at least not to find sulfur dust. And if you like this video, please give a like and subscribe to this channel. See you later.